YouTube, what's good? What's going on with y'all? It's your boy Echo the Reactor here, back here with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to Really Bad Day, Best or Worst Fails by Fail Army. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And yeah, let's get into the video. Let's see what Fail Army got in store for us. I'm sorry, y'all. Hell no. Let's your ass get. Damn. How did you? How? Don't move the car's already fucked.
Good luck, guys.
Stupid. Why do you have a pet goat? He on the farm. Okay. Like that, this is why my family don't use a gas grill. We always use charcoal. Shit like this. Oh, I know he's gonna cry in the car. I just know he's gonna cry in the car. Jesus. He feels so bad. He's not. He feels very, very bad. He's genuinely sorry for what he just did. He's genuinely sorry. Fuck I hear. And this is white people activity black people don't do. You're not rock climbing on top of nobody's rock. If we're not indoors strapped up with a harness on the little toy rocks, we're not doing this. Hell no. Got us bent. Got us black folks bent if you think we're doing this. Hell no. Okay. At least he laughed at the end of it. But no, baby. Got me all the way fucked up. We're not doing this today. We're not doing this today. Hell no. There goes. Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Lish is on my shoulders. What's going on? Jesus Christ!
Nah. I would have hit that nigga. He's about to crash. He's about to crash. Ha ha ha. Who got the end of who got the butt end of the stick, buddy? You did.
So does the cop get a ticket now? Yeah. Oh.
Hell yeah, he does. That's expensive. But it costs you a flight.
Oh, don't, he'll take it.
Oh no.
Get the paddle.
Why is the raccoon? I don't know why that scared me. What the fuck? Yo, this shit is scaring me, bro. Dummy. Stupid. I remember these fake ass videos. I think these videos were funny for real. This was the time in 2016. That man, he if he got kids, You better cherish those kids for the rest of your life because you're not having not a single, not no more, no more. If you don't got kids, you don't you're not having none. I swear you're not. I remember this clip. That's what your ass get for being a porch pirate. No, he wasn't. He was trying to steal my package.
Don't even talk to me.
Yes. He's gonna cry in the car.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just got that on video. I just got that on
The
video.
sailboat that boat is done. Once again, white people activity black people don't do. White people activities black people don't do. Now why the hell are you trying to climb an iceberg, a piece of an iceberg? What? How? Oh no! Oh nah, we would have had to fight. We would have had to fight.
Dude, your soda's on your car. Your soda's on your car.
Nah, that was funny. What just happened? Oh, his truck. Oh, his truck. Oh, his truck. His truck. I would have quit. That's the day I'm quitting. I'm giving you my badge. This is the day I'm quitting. I swear to God. Jesus, I'm quitting. I'm quitting that day. Not cleaning that up. No. Okay. Oh, hell nah. Oh, no.
Мы же все это
Not
понимаем, да?
Bumble, not
Это
Bumblebee.
страшненько.
Oh, that card. Nah, nah, that dog was on demon timing. Oh, it was like everybody else. Everybody, whole beach ruined. Nah, I would have been mad. Ads. Sorry, y'all, for these ads.
Built custom industrial machines in days.
I just chat to get on there. I remember that clip. This is an older clip. I remember this clip. I'd have been pissed off.
4. Curl the bucket. There you go.
Why? Why would you think that was going to work?
Oh!
Oh,
Oh my.
So sick and tired. Are you not listening?
Oh boy. Oh no. Are you serious? Oh.
I think this one was real. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought it was just one. It was like 5 of them, 5, 6 of them.
Oh my god.
You better go. That lady was about to get white girl wasted.
Hey! Hey!
This is again another thing. Another white person activity black people won't be doing. Oh, her hair. Her hair is on fire. Her hair is on fire. Oh.
Ska in! Vilken vidrig jävel.
Oh, would have been sick. Oh my God. Oh. You're like, now I'm pissed off at you. You just made me mad for no reason. I was having a I was having a happy go lucky time, and then you do this shit. Oh.
Are you ready to go to Disneyland?
Yeah. Oh, that's that fox. Nah, that dad is pissed off. It's his whole day's work. Come on, he probably was working on that for about 2-3 weeks. Just going. Now he gonna have to do that whole thing.
Are you ready to go to Disneyland?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nah, I would have been pissed. Nah. He did that. They did him filthy. He did. His boss did that man's filthy. Oh, I would have been like, "Yo, Dad, you remember when you said you was gonna take me to Disneyland and instead you took me to the dentist? Yeah, I'm mad at you for that one."
Oh, that this train right here. Yo, Steve, what the bro? What you need? I guess.
How? Now how? Not just how did this happen? Okay.
You hit the window pretty hard.
Oh, it's a bird. R.I.P. Ah! Oh,
Oh, you idiot.
Dummy. Stupid.
I got rain on that.
What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell, you idiot?
Oh my god!
Nah, he trying to do insurance fraud. Because he saw the car coming. He wanted to still want to hop on his bike, but he backed up on purpose and then fell on the car thinking that she hit him. Insurance fraud. You got it on camera. He's trying to get you for your money, ma'am. You can take that to court. You can file a lawsuit on him. Now he running away because he got caught in 6K. Like, how?
This is what a cramp looks like.
Oh God.
Look.
Oh God.
Oh my god. I won't stop.
Oh God. No. Oh no. Oh no. Why is it rocking like that? It shouldn't be rocking like that. No. No, those are some suitcase from the garage. No. I would be sick. Nah, that was fire. That means over in the side. Nah, you paying for that wall, ma'am. Oh nah. I'm so sorry, y'all. Just skip you. Put myself right down here.
And the car's literally swerving all over the place. So you can see it doesn't.
I would have been pissed.
Look at that. Oh, hey, crack the window.
Nah. I'm going back in the house.
Quack. 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 Quack.
Oh nah. Woo! W Mans, clap it up for that man.
Oh, bad. Oh.
No, yeah, he's come out to kill me.
Get stupid.
Hỗ trợ để cái chương trình tiếp tục được phát triển và lan tỏa hơn nữa.
How?
D-Man, drop a beat.
Oh no!
Go, 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 go.
I'm about to fall.
Oh, that's inside my backpack. Gabby.
Gabby!
Oh no!
Nah, she drunk. Nah, she white girl wasted. Oh nah. That's what you get.
Oh God, Joseph!
Why are you still?
Ow! Joseph!
YouTube, these are all done by trained professionals. Kids, do not try this at home. Oh, wait a minute. How did a fire truck set a car on fire? You're supposed to be a fire truck trying to save the fire. They're about to hit his balls. Oh, he got him in a wedgie. Yo, boy went flying. Oh, he broke his nose. Oh, thank God he didn't go in the water. Doing tricks you can't do. Doing tricks you know you can't do. Nah, I would have punched him in the mouth. We would have to fight. Oh no, not the ice cream, not the ice cream, not the ice cream.
Babe, are you okay?
No! Oh, he got on his
Mr.
beard.
Steal your girl right here.
Idiot. But that was damn. Welcome. This is Ridiculousness with your host Rob Deerdeck. Oh no. He's scared. They're scared. Oh.
Watch out.
Timber! until I think it was gonna work. Nah, hitting the baby mama is crazy. It's a boy.
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, Billy. How?
Kill me. Kill me.
Oh no! Oh, her neck. Not her iPad.
Go ahead.
Oh, I would have been. Nah. Party canceled. Wait, what just happened? I'm so confused. What is that? I don't know what that was.
Get my Skylar, look at us!
Oh, fuck no. Oh, hell no. Is she drunk?
Oh my lord.
That car is on its last life. his butt booty cheeks is out. Tank. Why are you driving the tank? Spider-Man. My family, we didn't do that specifically, but when it was snowing one year, we used a blow-up bed as a sled. Fun times. The blow-up bed was already popped anyway, so we just used it as a sled, so we couldn't use it anymore. Fun times. Let's get back to the video. How did you manage to get in there, sir? Give him some Vaseline, oil up the sides, and slide right out. Rolling on the river. What just happened? Ooh. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. It's low. If I ever go skydiving, which I'm not, but if I ever go skydiving, I'm making sure I'm strapped onto a professional. Okay, that will be the end of the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. And I will see y'all in the next video.